how to add policies to your footer in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add policies in your Shopify footer. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to create your policies. So click on settings and scroll down. You'll find the policies section right here. Click on it. And then here you can see we have all these different options. We've got the contact info, shipping policy, terms and services, privacy, return policy, all of them. Currently, you can see no policies has been set. So click on any of these options, all right? And here we've got the paragraph. Here you can go ahead and insert your policy. But for now, I'm just simply going to go ahead and insert this template as a showcase and then click on publish. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for terms and conditions. Insert the template and click on publish, and same thing for the shipping policy as well. Now for this one, there's no option, so I'll just add this very generic looking shipping policy that I have, and I'll just put this in the center. Click on publish. There you go. And we also have contact information. You can go ahead and add this. It is required. So here you can go ahead and insert the template, and you can add your own name over here, my store number, your email address, physical address, table, whatever, and then click on publish. There we go. So now we have all these different policies, right? Next, what you want to do is you want to close this and go into your online store. Underneath themes, you will have pages, preferences, all of them. Should be an option called preferences and navigation actually, but currently I believe they've updated Shopify, so they move things around. So all right, so over here, as you can see, in this is the editor. Here at the bottom we have all of our links, right? But we want to add them over here in the menu, not at the bottom, right? So for that, we have policy links over here, we have footer utilities over here, right? And if we come over here into the settings option over here on the left, and here we will find some footer options. We should find it over here. All right, so I deleted everything so that it would be much more easier. But yeah, here in the footer section, click on add block, and here at the bottom you will find links where you have menus, right? Click on one of these menus and it'll add it over here. So this is the main menu, and here we can edit the menu. So click on edit, gonna take you to the edit section where you can edit it. Beforehand, right now they've edited, so now we have a menu section over here. But before, you would have a navigation option right here in the online store section, and you would click on it, and then over there you can change all of these options. But now since Shopify has changed it, now you would have to go into the menu section within content. So, and once we're over here, we have our menu right here, and here this is the main menu, of course. And if we click on this little button, these are all the menus right here that we have, right? These are all the menus here. Let's go ahead and create a new menu, and we'll go ahead and name it policies, and click on save. And here we'll click on add menu, and here we'll just select the links, go into policies, select contact info, click on add more, and one by one we're going to add all of them. Privacy, and now we'll have one more called the refund, and finally we'll add the last one, which is going to be the shipping. Maybe even actually add the terms and services as well, because why not? So now that we've added all of these, now we'll click on save. We now have a menu named policies. Now if we come back over here, select the menu, click on replace, and now we should have the policy menu right here, and now we have them right there. Now we can save them, and now we can add all the other stuff back over here. So for example, if we click over here, we can add the hero section, the contact form, sign up, the divider, and we can also add all the other options as well that they had, like editor, FAQ, hero marquees, custom section, whatever you want, you can go ahead and add them right there. So there you go. That's how you can do it. That's how you can add the policy section within your footer. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.